What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Puddingwork Burke. And today we're talking about Public.com app. And is it worth the time? So let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Public.com app review. Is it worth your time? Have you ever thought to yourself, I want to learn how to invest in stocks, but you absolutely don't know where to start or didn't know where to start? Yeah, sure. You could download one of those investment apps and just start by randomly picking stocks that you think might make you some money, but you're just not sure and don't seem to have the time to learn. Well, there is a website or app, whichever way you want to describe it. It's called Public.com. Public.com is considered to be the Facebook of stock investing. Public is the investing social network where members can own fractional shares of stocks and ETFs, follow popular creators, and share ideas within a community of investors. Public.com makes the stock market an inclusive and educational place with social features make it easy to collaborate as you build your confidence as an investor. Now, as you can tell, Public.com is the future of social network investing. They don't just throw you to the wolves and hope that the stock gods chew you up and spit you out, right? They actually have hundreds of articles that teach you all you need to know about the basics of investing in the stock market. Public.com is the perfect app to use if you need to feel like you're around like-minded people that want to learn how to build solid income using the stock market. Okay, so with all that being said, if you really want to have a team of people around you and you don't want to feel like you're like an anomaly or anything like that, then this is the app for you. Okay, so definitely check it out. The link is in the description. With that being said, I want to talk about passive and building passive income. All right, now I talk about it all the time on my channel, and this is the greatest form of income besides having residual income, which can be passive and active. That's why I don't consider it all the time in passive income strategies. Now, with all that being said, if you want to build some real passive, legit income, check out the link in the description, my Wealth Builder System. I give you a free ebook that definitely will give you the steps you need to take to build passive income all online, right? So, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for being a wealth builder, all right? Do remember, wealth builders, if you want to learn how to make more money, save more money, build a better you and business, subscribe to the channel. All right? Again, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, Devon Puddingwork Burke, signing off for Public.com app review. Is it really worth the trouble? Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.